Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Robeson. Guys, do you realize what's happening? I'm sitting in my living room right now and I'm looking at basically blank walls. All of my trees are out, my plants are out, even my pillows are out of this room, including all the accessories and every room in my house. Why is that? Because tomorrow, actually today, I'm beginning my Christmas decorating for 2024. That's kind of a big deal, but you know what I had to do before that? I had to let everything go. I'm talking about all the Christmas decorations I've had for the last 20 years. A lot of you know that I had a Christmas blowout sale. It was incredible, and today's video is going to show you everything that happened at that sale. Today is the day before my big blowout sale, and yesterday we got everything up from the basement into the garage, stacked everything, and it's going to be the stuff that goes into these, the tote bags. Peter, Anastasia, and I are going through all of the additional items, things that are too big to put into a bin or a tote. These are things that are going to be priced individually. The stuff that they can get at such a reduced price of what it was originally. We have trees, we have so much stuff. I mean, even like these great nativity scenes, because I have so many of them. Pillows, lanterns, Santas. Look, this huge nativity set. Yeah, that's gonna go for sale, and that was really expensive.
We're setting up as much stuff as we can the day before, as smart as it is. I don't want anything to get stolen overnight, so things that lay on the ground. As you can see, this is the place to come if you are looking for garland. And we've still got 4 tubs of garland to open of different colors, like flocked and all kinds of like spring ones. So yeah, if you're in the market for garland, my blowout sale is the place you want to go.
This sale was scheduled to begin at 9 a.m. So my team got there at 7 to set up early. Hayden and Brenda were over in the tote area, and they had so many bins to bring out and organize. Colton and Peter got busy setting up the Christmas trees, you know, fluffing them, making sure the lights worked.
Look at us.
It was a rush, that's all I can say. Imagine how hard it was for me to part with my acrylic and frosted deer figurines and ribbons. Some of these I've had for 20 years. By the time we had everything set up, it was go time.
I'm getting goosebumps. So
we are too.
Thank you so much. First off, just gosh, for bringing all these people to this sale, it really is a blessing. Thank you for answering that prayer, and I especially thank you for these group of people who have actually, they really probably want some of this stuff, and they have volunteered their time to come and be here and help me, and I cannot do it without them.
Debbie and Bob, they're from Oklahoma City, and they've attended every event that I've had in my home, and they always bring me homemade cookies. And there was Jason and Leslie. Both of them are my friends who moved from California to Tulsa the same year that I did.
And you have 2 totes.
Yeah. We bought 4 slots.
You bought 4 totes. Woohoo! Yay!
For me, it was amazing to meet so many wonderful people who have followed me and watched my videos for years.
First off, I'm going to tell you, this is bittersweet for me. And I have honestly parted with everything but 2 things, essentially. One, my acrylic angel. Secondly, my reindeer, the brass reindeer there. Until I got a phone call from my dear sweet neighbor Cheryl here, who I cherish. She's my neighbor, right? We share a fence, but she's become a very, very sweet friend. And today is her birthday. Woo! Happy birthday. Right? And she bought a tote said, hey, do I get to be first in? Because it's my birthday. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's your birthday. So I said, what is it that you want? Because she's in a, you know, she can't get around as easy or fast as I can, or some of you can. And she said, the one thing I want is that brass reindeer. It's a good thing you didn't say my acrylic angel, because you would have found out that Anyway, I've decided to give that to her for her birthday. So that's why I let Carol in first, and she's going to shop over here. Let me explain how this goes. All of the tote things, you bought a tote. I showed you in the video what it's like. Anything you can fit in that tote is yours. You prepaid for it. When I did it, I didn't even fill it to the brim, and I had over $650 worth of stuff. So I know you're gonna get more than what you spent, way more. But it's all over there. Once you go past this thing and over there are two girls there, Brenda and Hayden, and they're there to help you a bit. Once you come to this part of the yard, everything is priced individually. Why did I do that? Because if you wanted a wreath, that's all you would get in your tote, because nothing else would fit. Please do not show me what's in your tote, because when you do, I might want to go back through there and pick a few things out, because it's very special. All right, so that's that. Once you're finished over there, and you're supposed to have 45 minutes. I don't know how long it'll take you, but once you're done there, you're welcome to come over here. No one's going to push you out. You can shop as much as you want. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, no fighting over a girdle or a bra. Oh, wait.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Hi, everybody. I'm Rebecca. Oh, look at you brought your suitcase. That's one smart cookie.
In Christmas times.
Ooh, you got a lot of pink stuff.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Let's do this one.
Wanna get one? That's cute.
We set up this really cute photo op place with angel's wings from Christmas Done Bright.
Camille and her husband, I'm assuming it's your husband?
Tony, yes.
And Tony, they drove 16 hours from Florida.
And it was worth it. Every hour.
Yay, that's
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm happy.
We'll be one of the design sessions because
You too, Tony. Come on.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.
Man. Hi. Hi. Thank you so much for coming. This is Buddy, and you just said
I came in from Houston.
she flew in and got a rental car. And did you stay the night last night?
I did. I stayed in downtown Tulsa and I'm driving home tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
Most surprising to me was how many people drove 10 to 20 hours to get to my home.
We're talking 20 hours of commitment there.
A day.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Hey, are you guys the guys from Canada?
Yes.
Alabama and Southeast Kansas
Southeast
by Joplin,
Kansas,
Missouri.
Kansas City.
Hawaii.
Wait. Where are you from?
I have come especially from Dubai to see you. I have flown all.
What? She's from Dubai. She flew here from Dubai.
Making angels in the sand, you and me.
I remember I discovered your channel like 10 years ago, and ever since, I think when I'm down mid-year, I just watch a Christmas video from Rebecca Robeson.
Oh,
Thank you.
that is
I
so
think this is a lot.
sweet.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
There were people from Florida, California, Arizona, Nevada, New York, and Texas. Hello, Texas.
Okay, from now on, I want all of you Texas people to connect with each other because I think you can caravan in for whatever event I have next.
This is the best part of any of these kinds of things that I throw because of the entire day, it wasn't getting rid of my Christmas things or passing them on. It was getting to meet so many of you.
This is Sindel. You sent her a video, and
Oh, yay!
I'm just so
Oh, that's right.
Thank you
that
so
guys
much
were
for
gonna be
doing
here.
that.
That's
That was
great.
so amazing. So we flew in from Las Vegas last night,
Aw.
and we're here just to see you.
Oh, thank you
Yeah,
so
this has
much.
been an amazing
Did you get
trip.
some good stuff?
Oh, we got some good stuff. We got some good stuff.
Rebecca, okay. There you go. Okay, cute boy. Okay, buddy.
Yes.
How tall are you?
I don't know, like 6 something.
6 something. Where did you come from?
Denver, 10 hours.
10 out. Did you drive?
By myself in a car.
Oh yeah, cute boy Joseph. He does have a name, but I like to call him cute boy. Doesn't he look like a little elf?
When I am anxious, I go on YouTube and I watch your videos. I watch the 25 Days of Christmas. I watch everything.
There's some crazy stuff in here, right?
Yes, I love your videos so much.
Thank you. Whoa, with the reindeer! Believe in the magic of Christmas, you guys. How long did it take you to make one?
About a week.
About a week. This is a $500 cost. She flew here from Tampa, and you should see, and she brought empty suitcases, tissue paper. You got so much stuff. Here you go.
Thank you,
You're
my
welcome,
dear.
Georgia.
That'll be a lovely treasure.
You did a really good job at packing that bag. I think you got 2 totes worth. That's amazing.
Okay,
All right,
everyone.
guys. Is everything gone?
A lot of it, yeah.
As the day went on, the empty bins continued to stack up. By the time group 3 got there, it was starting to really thin out. I would say the hardest part for me wasn't seeing everything gone, but seeing how it was gone so quickly.
Whoa.
The truth of the matter is by 11:30, we were all sold out. So much so that unfortunately, we had to cancel all of the people who had bought totes for the second day. And of course, we refunded them.
I'm Deanne. And I'm
Deanne.
actually from Australia.
What? You didn't come from us.
No,
Okay.
I live in Canada now.
She came from Canada, that's
Yeah.
right. But you
Yeah.
could have said Australia. You would have
Yeah.
won the long-distance award.
So complicated love.
I started following you when Cheryl was in college and you did her college
college
dorm.
Oh,
Her birthday.
yeah, that was a long time ago.
I've been following you since then.
Wow, that's fantastic. How about you?
About the same time.
Yeah.
Can you call me up and tell me that I'm strong enough?
Also, bought the Oh Holy Night.
You did?
Yes.
Woo! That makes me happy. I would Celine Dion sing this. Come on.
I know. And my husband had the nerve to ask me what I was going to do with it. I'm like, I don't know. That's like next month's problem.
Right?
I need your love like I did before.
Here, open this. I hope you like it. I need that. It's coasters, resin coasters.
Oh my gosh, look at these. These are beautiful. They're
Those are
resin
gorgeous.
coasters that she made.
Your fireplace. Oh, that's the one. She was like,
All of
I
those,
have to come.
everything.
I'm like, I'm just gonna buy the whole thing. This is the earliest time slot. I know. We tried so hard. Yeah.
I'm so sorry. That's okay. I feel like I need to do something for you. You want my piano?
Is it the baby grand?
The baby grand.
Yes.
That was a joke.
Call me up, tell me that I'm strong enough. Swear I'll make it good enough.
A special thank you to all who attended the Blowout sale. It was such a delight and a pleasure meeting all of you. And my wish and my prayer is that the things that you purchased and took home with you will bring you joy every Christmas season for years to come.
From San Antonio, Texas, just to see Rebecca. She's a very inspired people. And I just tell her, never change, be active all the time. We love you. Yes, yes ma'am.
I want to give a special thanks to Peter, Tanya, Colton, Hayden, Brenda, and Anastasia.
Serious determination. There you go. Watch out.
That one's sentimental. That's for my mama.
Oh.
You know what? It was a really great time and probably just a once-in-a-lifetime thing because although I can have another sale in the future to sell my Christmas things, I'll never have a sale that has 20 years worth of collected items that can't even be bought anymore. All right, you guys, that was it. Wasn't that fun? It was a really great day. And as I sit in this room thinking about everything that's arriving in about 30 minutes, yeah, all of my brand new stuff is coming in for 2024. Everything is shoppable. I mean shoppable, because Amber Marie & Co. is going to be sponsoring this video and all of my Christmas videos, and everything you see, just about everything, is going to be shoppable. If there's one thing I learned from this sale, it's the early bird gets the worm. The earlier you can shop things that you see on my Christmas videos, the better for you. And those who were at the sale would tell you that exact same thing. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Remember, the Design Sessions is going to have an exclusive video just for Christmas this year. Be sure to join the Design Sessions if you haven't done it thus far. It'd be the best Christmas present you can give yourself. And we have some very exclusive Christmas decorating videos on there that I know you're going to appreciate and enjoy and love. And of course, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the little bell icon so that you're notified when we put up new videos, and like it and leave me a comment, because I love to hear from you. By the way, are you excited to see my new hair? It's coming soon at a theater near you, or a tablet, or a phone, or a computer. You know what I mean. All right, you guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Anastasia, give Vanessa's name and number. She lives in Dubai. I want to go visit her.